What's going on, guys? This is Kyle from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, in the top row select Insert, scroll down to Page Elements and then Page Numbers. You will have a number of options and you can also select more options. You can choose to have your page number in the header, footer, starting at, so we can say starting at 0, and show on the first page. You can either select yes or no and then apply. So you can see our first page is not showing any number, but if we go to the next page, we will see page 1. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.